There are a few things better than a perfectly golden chicken, and I'm going to show you a trick on how to make the perfectly crisp golden chicken. What we're going to do first is make a zingy sauce that's going to go with it. So I'm just going to chop up 2 chilies. I'm going to get rid of the seeds because it is a bit hot, but if you are someone that does like all that heat, keep them in. So make sure those chilies are nice and finely chopped because it is going to become a sauce. And just on the same board, I'm just going to grab some parsley, just about a handful, and use the stalks. Don't be afraid of using them. And just twist that off, and then just bunch all those leaves together, and then just run your knife. And again, just run through everything. Then we're just going to get the zest of 1 lemon, and just remember to kind of, when you're zesting, zest in that circular motion so you're getting all the bits of the zest and none of that white pith. And give your lemon a bit of a roll, and what that's going to do is help release all those juices. Halve that straight into your bowl as well. Also got a bit of apple cider vinegar, which we'll just throw in, a bit of salt, pepper. And also just 1 garlic clove, which again, I'm just going to mince really finely on that microplane and get in there. And then we can put that aside until we are ready for it. So while we prep our chicken, I'm just going to heat up the oil. We are shallow frying, so I'm just going to get about 2 centimeters of oil in the pan. Make sure you get a thermometer, and you can ensure that the oil is going to be at 160 for the whole time, and that's going to make sure that we have a perfectly crisp chicken. But now, while that's heating up, we can go on to our chicken. Firstly, just get down some paper towel. We want to go in between the tailbone and the neck. So just use a nice strong kitchen scissors. And again on the other side. So then just take that chicken and turn it over. And what you want to do is break that breastbone, so lean on it. It's the only way to do it. And what you have is your butterfly chicken. So our oil's at about 140, so I'm gonna get ready with some of the aromatics to go in that oil. And what this is gonna do is just give that oil a bit more flavor as it's cooking the chicken. So I've got another chili. Just gonna split that down the middle, go straight into the oil. A whole head of garlic, and then I've got an echalot, just halve that, and again into the oil. With a few bay leaves. We've got some coriander seeds and also some peppercorns. And just in between all those aromatics. Just adjust your heat on your stove to make sure that oil stays at 160 to ensure that the chicken's going to be nice and crispy. So our chicken's almost had 10 minutes, but what I'm going to do first before I flip is take out all those aromatics, and we're just going to flip over the chicken. So grab its legs and just gently fold it over, and we're going to go for another 10 minutes on this side. So we've had our 10 minutes. I'm just going to flip and give that crispy side another 2 minutes just to make sure it is perfectly golden. Just gently take the chicken out and just drain it in some paper towel and let it rest for about 5 minutes to finish off the cooking. Through the breastbone, and just take some of that beautiful sauce, and just before you serve it, just kind of drizzle it all over, and it's going to give a really nice freshness to the chicken. And then just a few lemon wedges, just squeeze over, and that is pretty impressive for a 20-minute chicken, golden and crispy.